Xiaomi has officially unveiled Smart Band 9 Pro. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. First start from display. The Xiaomi Band 9 Pro features a 1.74 inches AMOLED touchscreen display and with a 336 by 480 pixel of resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 600 nits. The Band 9 Pro likely offers various health and fitness tracking functions like heart rate tracking and blood oxygen monitoring. Overall full screen design. Xiaomi says this variant presents an upgraded appearance and texture. The slogan "Shine Brightly" also reflects a refined and much polished aesthetic. The overall design has not strayed too far from its predecessor. However, Band 9 Pro introduces a slightly odd display to make the view appear more engaging and smooth. This very update gave it an entirely new dimension of feels and quite the fresh look. The main of the more notable changes is the strap adjustment removed. Moving the buckle to the end of the strap is an obvious design lift from the Apple Watch band, which makes adjustment easier to use and wear. This fitness tracker should be even more comfortable and visually appealing with its new curved screen, boasting a polished design and subtle improvements. That's all for now and thanks for watching.